Take a quiet moment and allow your heart to settle, because Psalm 51 speaks to the places within us that long for renewal. This psalm is not about perfection. It is about honesty, humility, and the hope of being made new again. It has been a turning point for many who felt weighed down by guilt, regret, or the desire to start over. Psalm 51 verse 10 reaches straight into the heart, saying, "Create in me a clean heart, O God, and renew a right spirit within me." This speaks to moments when you feel internally worn down or spiritually tired. People who return to this prayer often say it helps them let go of self-condemnation and open space for healing. Over time, it brings clarity, peace, and a sense of renewal that feels deeply personal. Let me lift you before God here. Lord, look gently upon this listener. Where there is heaviness, bring cleansing. Where there is weariness, breathe new life. Renew their spirit and steady their heart today. Another powerful reflection appears in Psalm 51 verse 6. You desire truth in the inward being, and you teach wisdom in the secret heart. This speaks to authenticity. Many find that listening to this regularly helps them stop hiding from God and from themselves. It invites growth that begins on the inside and slowly transforms how life is lived on the outside. When shame or regret tries to define someone, Psalm 51 verse 12 offers hope. Restore to me the joy of your salvation and grant me a willing spirit. This verse has helped countless people rediscover joy after long seasons of heaviness. Listening to it daily gently reminds the heart that joy can return, even after mistakes or loss. God, restore joy to this listener. Replace guilt with grace and uncertainty with hope. Strengthen their willingness to move forward with trust. Psalm 51 verse 17 brings a quiet reassurance. A broken and contrite heart you will not despise. This speaks to acceptance. Many across the world have found comfort in this truth, learning that God welcomes honesty more than performance. It has changed lives by teaching people that humility opens the door to peace. Those who make this prayer part of their daily rhythm often notice meaningful change. Their hearts grow softer, their faith deepens, and their mornings begin with reflection instead of rush. Over time, this practice reshapes how they respond to life's challenges. Stay with this moment a little longer, because Psalm 51 continues to unfold healing in layers. This is a psalm people return to not once, but many times across their lives, especially when they feel the need to begin again. It does not rush restoration, it allows it to grow. Psalm 51 verse 1 opens with a cry that many hearts recognize instantly. Have mercy on me, O God, according to your unfailing love. According to your great compassion, blot out my transgressions. This speaks to moments when someone feels overwhelmed by their past. Those who listen to this regularly say it helps them stop defining themselves by mistakes and start trusting in mercy that is larger than failure. Let me pause here and pray for you. Lord, meet this listener with mercy. Where regret weighs heavily, release it. Where shame whispers lies, replace it with compassion and grace. Psalm 51 verse 2 continues that longing for renewal. Wash away all my iniquity and cleanse me from my sin. This verse is not about punishment, but about freedom. Many people around the world have shared how returning to this prayer daily helped them feel lighter inside, as though something heavy was slowly being lifted from their spirit. Psalm 51 verse 8 carries a quiet but powerful hope. Let me hear joy and gladness. Let the bones you have crushed rejoice. This speaks to those who feel worn down by life, emotionally exhausted, or spiritually dry. Listening to this over time has helped many rediscover joy they thought was lost forever, not as loud excitement, but as steady peace. God, restore joy to this listener. Let gladness rise again where life has felt dull or painful. Strengthen what feels broken inside them. Psalm 51 verse 13 reveals what renewal produces. Then I will teach transgressors your ways, so that sinners will turn back to you. This shows that healing does not stop with one person. Many who have walked with this prayer daily say it changed not only their own hearts, but how they treated others. Patience grew, compassion deepened. Their lives quietly began to reflect grace. Across different countries and cultures, people have returned to Psalm 51 as part of their daily rhythm. They speak of calmer minds, restored faith, and the courage to move forward without being chained to the past. This prayer has helped many start their mornings with humility and end their days with peace. Come back again tomorrow and listen once more. Each time you return, the work continues gently. Renewal does not always arrive in a single moment. Sometimes it grows through daily surrender. Let us close with a simple prayer. Lord, thank you for mercy that renews and love that restores. Cleanse our hearts, guide our steps, and lead us into a new day with hope. Amen.